the knowledge and the experience that we gained is what is building GMN Healthcare right now today. It was time for GMN Group of companies to give back to the same society that had brought us up to this great height right now. So that was the core of starting GMN Healthcare. So we wanted to do something in return to the same community. We started 2 years back, but the research of the products has been the products that are launched as well as are lined up in the launch. Every product has been in research for more than 18 to 24 months. So that is the amount of uh, care and research that goes into every product that is in the market today. So we launched about 9 SKUs when we started 2 years back. Now we have launched more than 25 SKUs. This happens only if there is the great support that the consumers are giving us and the market that is giving space for such products. So we are very, very happy for this reach, and thank you once again to all our consumers who show the constant and things like that. And we've also, I'm very, very proud at this juncture to say that we've been one company that has been emphasizing on immunity for past 2 years. It is not a pop-up that came in after the COVID-19 scenario, but we've been emphasizing on this immunity. All our products, every product of ours have at least one ingredient to emphasize immunity. We have bovine colostrum in one of our specific product. We have curcumin. So all these are antioxidants and premium ingredients that we use for building immunity. So these are our old formulation. That is, we've launched it 2 years back. So we're not a company that just for the sake of or using the period to promote or emphasize immunity. So I just wanted to mention this because a lot of people now think that existing products have come up with this idea of just mentioning the immunity for just the marketing purpose of it, but that is not that we do over here. Also, the vision of the company has always been, your nutrition partner is our tagline or our slogan. That is where we walk towards. Pro 360 on the whole, the meaning of it is protein 360. So we wanted to, from the fetus that is inside a mother's womb till the geriatric patients. So that is the market that we are looking to cater. Our mom product nourishes the fetus in the womb, and all our product lines are matched up to deliver a 360-degree whole nutrition to all different age groups. And it's been a great journey this 2 years with all the market research that we've done. The products have been under a lot of iteration, and the palatability tests have been done. And I am also very proud to mention that all our products have 100% palatability. We are one company who concentrates on adding premium ingredients as in a very, very nominal cost for Indian people. So that is what the company is walking towards and will walk towards. So the quality and the ingredients that we use is going to be a premium one. Existingly has been a premium one, and we are assuring this premium quality herein as well. And I should say partnering with Pro 360 is going to equip you for any kind of pandemic hereafter. We never expected this pandemic, but herein we can't assure that there's no pandemic, any kind of viral pandemic, we are going to face with a better immunity. And we are here to emphasize on the importance of protein as well. And if you take Pro 360, it is not a protein drink. To be very, very clear, it is not only a protein drink, because it is a package of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and protein. So it is enhanced with protein, but it is just not a protein drink.